In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to locate an appointment in the Acuity appointment system and issue a refund confidently and accurately. As we dive into the process, I'll walk you through each necessary action so you'll be able to carry out this task with ease. Let's start by opening your Acuity appointments dashboard. Once you're in, our goal is to find the specific appointment for which a refund needs to be issued. To do this, head over to the Appointments section. Here, you're presented with a comprehensive list of all booked appointments. These are usually organized chronologically, but you have the autonomy to sort and filter them based on client name, date, or service type. This flexibility makes locating an appointment much quicker and more efficient. If you know specific details about the appointment, such as the client's name or the date, using the search function can be a handy shortcut to zero in on the exact appointment you're looking for. Once you've pinpointed the correct appointment, click on it to open up the detail view. This page will provide you with all the relevant specifics of that appointment. This includes the date, time, service booked, and client information. It's always a good idea to double check these details to ensure you're about to process a refund for the correct transaction. Accuracy at this stage is crucial because processing a refund by mistake or for the wrong appointment can lead to unnecessary complications. After verifying the details, look for the option or button labeled Refund or something similar. This is typically located within the financial section of the appointment details. When you click on this, the system will prompt you to confirm the action. It's essential to review this confirmation prompt carefully as it's the final step before completing the refund process. Take a moment here to ensure everything is in order. Once you've confirmed the refund, the system will process it immediately and the financial transaction will be reversed. Depending on your payment provider, the refund might appear in the client's account within a few business days. You can communicate this time frame to your client to manage their expectations effectively. There's an added advantage of documenting the refund. Make a note of this transaction in your records or within the client's file. This can be helpful for future reference, offering clarity and preventing any potential misunderstandings later on. With these steps completed, you've now successfully issued a refund using Acuity appointments. As you become more familiar with this process, it'll become second nature, ensuring you maintain an excellent standard of service for your clients. If you have any further questions or need clarification, feel free to revisit specific sections of this guide or consult Acuity's comprehensive support resources. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has been a helpful guide for you today.